Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the image and the exact URL you want it to open. Optimize the file so load times stay short. That matters for clicks. Once done, upload the image to a web-accessible location or confirm its path in your project. Make sure the link is final and uses HTTPS when possible. Now that you have both assets, the image path and the destination URL, you're ready for the single reliable method to make the image clickable. You will use one HTML pattern. Place the image tag inside an anchor tag. This makes the entire picture act as a link, simple and standards compliant. For example, wrap img src equals /img. png alt equals desk with a href equals https://example/a. Add attributes like alt for screen readers and rel equals newpener plus target equals blank if you want a new tab. Once implemented, the browser treats clicks on the image exactly like a normal link, preserving expected user behavior and accessibility. You finish by testing. Click the image on desktop and mobile and confirm it navigates to the intended URL. If it doesn't work, inspect the Anchor and developer tools to ensure the href is correct and not overwritten by scripts. Also check image permissions, mix content blocking when using HTTPS, and whether CSS or pointer events are disabling clicks. Make sure alt text exists for accessibility. If JavaScript modifies links, temporarily disable it to isolate the issue, and then fix accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.